Hey guys, I crocheted beanies for my niece's Labubu. I used this crochet hook and yarn. First place the yarn over the hook with the end facing forward. Bring the end of the yarn to the back. Then bring the longer end over to the front of the hook and pull it through the loop created. This is the slip knot. Bring the longer end over to the front again and pull it through the loop created. This is the first chain stitch. Continue making chain stitches until you reach 2.5 inches. I made 11 chain stitches for this yarn and 13 chain stitches for the thinner yarn. Add 1 chain stitch to start the first row. There are 2 loops in the front and 1 loop in the back. Skip the chain stitch you made to start the row and make a single crochet in the next stitch. To do this, go through the loop, yarn over, and pull it through the loop. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops. In the next stitch, make another single crochet. Go through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over again, and pull it through both loops. Then for the rest of the row, make half double crochets. To do this, yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over again, and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over again, pull it through the loop, yarn over, and pull it through all 3 loops. For each row, I made 9 half double crochets for this yarn and 11 half double crochets for the thinner yarn. At the end, add 2 chain stitches to start the second row. Make half double crochets and in the last 2 stitches, make single crochets. Repeat the 2 rows for your pattern. Add 1 chain stitch to start the next row. There should be 2 single crochets in each row, and the rest of the row are half double crochets. Continue making rows until you have 9.5 inches and an even number of rows. The light pink had 34 rows, the darker pink had 32 rows, the blue had 32 rows, and the cream had 30 rows. Next, add 1 chain stitch. I made a slip stitch to connect the ends. To do this, go through the loop on the far right and the loop on the far left, yarn over, and pull it through all loops. Continue doing this until you reach the end. Then add one chain stitch. Leave extra yarn and pull the end through the loop. Using a tapestry needle, I brought the short end through the same loop as the other end. Then I sewed these loops together. Go through the loop, across, go through the next loop, across again, and continue doing this until you reach the top. I weave the end a few times inside the beanie, and cut the end. Weave and tuck in the other end of the yarn. Then fold the beanie. And here's how they turned out.